Day 2 is around about 1 o'clock. I'm in Pontevedra. It's way too early in the day to stop. We've got lots of daylight to go, so I'm going to carry on to the next town, which I think is Briallos, which is about another 6 miles. I've already done about 6.5 miles now, so another 6 would just make it 12. That's perfectly fine. I got a lot of juice, so let's go. All right, so far, this is the quietest stretch. There are no other pilgrims. I think the majority of them stopped in Pontevedra. And yeah, so it's really nice to have this peaceful little patch. All right, so correction on that other part. I've actually done way more than 6.5 miles. Just checked my phone, and I've actually done 11 miles. So by the end of the time when I get to the next town, I will have done 15 to 16 miles. I'll let you know. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's still only about 2:30, so let's see where we are at about 6. All right, took a little break by these eucalyptus to get into shorts. It's getting to be hotter afternoon. Give the feet a little stretch. Put on a short sleeve t-shirt. Just take a break from the shoes for a few minutes here. Got out of my yoga pants and definitely feeling a little cooler. And we've still got some time to go because, like I said, I'm probably going to walk till about 6 or so. And so that's about another 3 hours. And we'll see what we see until then. So it looks like this church is shut, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so actually from this side, I think I'm going to be able to check this place out. Wow, nice little spot to chill out if you are so inclined. Ooh, and chickens. This is a very tranquil location, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little break. They offered some free hot chocolate, tea, and so yeah, really enjoying the Camino. Buen Camino. Check out that view, huh? So it's about 3 o'clock. We're out of Pontevedra, and finally things are getting back to being scenic. Woo! Another cute little church. Perhaps they offer a stamp. Let's find out. So according to this signage here, 57.8 kilometers to Santiago. Woohoo! Alright, this looks way too tempting to chill my feet out, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, giving the feet a little baptism here. Oh, feels so good. Sometimes you just gotta take a break. My feet needed to cool down. You listen to your body and you take care of it. It's the only body I got. These are my beautiful feet that have traveled all day with me and deserve a break. Yum yum for the feet. Ah, so nice and cold. Alright, I can honestly say that foot bath was so worth it. They're feeling all cool and tingly, refreshed for I don't care how many more miles. So if you're at this little pathway, definitely stop, wash your feet, towel them off. You're gonna feel great. Now let's go. So soft. Moss in green Galicia. Just loving all this greenery. It is without doubt that Galicia feels like home. Eucalyptus leaves. The smell of eucalyptus. This is why it reminds me of my home. Well, I didn't take the spiritual variant, but so far this afternoon, I've been pretty much hiking by myself. A couple of bicyclists passing, wishing me buen camino. But beyond that, I'm already having a pretty solo, serene, tranquillo path, pilgrimage on Saturday, June the 6th. It's around about 4:30, 15 miles in on day 2. Doing good, feeling good. The foot bath really helped. Feeling good. Buen camino. Hi there. Haha. Alright, I seem to have entered the next village. This is a very interesting looking church. Let's go check it out. gonna keep on going from San Amaro. Alright, so here is today's 5 o'clock-ish stretching point. You get the calves and the thighs a little stretch. Oh, that feels good. Thank you, tree.
Buen camino! See you soon! Percebo! Caminho.
So I'm 18 miles in on day 2. And everywhere you go, it's Christ on the crucifix. 18 miles in. I'm so tired that I'm just completely chilled out. It's around about 5:36 right now, and I'd be lying if I said I wasn't tired, but I'm not exhausted. The sun is really still pretty shining, as you can see. You really have to wonder at some point. I've been in solitude most of this day, and the question keeps coming up like, why am I doing this? Why did I want to do this pilgrimage? Why did I want to walk 18 miles a day at the age of 61? Well, maybe I needed to prove to myself that I'm still fit and healthy, because I'm not exhausted. I'm a little bit tired, but you know, I can definitely keep on carrying on. So what is this Camino about for me? Well, it's about trusting the journey. I really didn't book any hostels or hotels. I wanted to just see how it would go, because you know, I really thought in the spirit of the pilgrimage that you just stop and you'll find a room. But here in 2026, I think the pilgrimage has become far different than it used to be, like maybe in the 70s or even the 80s. There's a lot of pilgrims on the road. I mean, I've already on the busier parts on day 1 and day 2. There are caggles of people traveling in like 20 and 30 groups. And so a lot of the hostels, quite frankly, are already booked in advance, full and so forth. I could be completely wrong. And I'm certainly not complaining, because I know I'm going to find a room regardless. Like yesterday, I'm really glad I ended up at the hotel. It was a beautiful hotel. I met the beautiful hosts. I had a wonderful hot shower to rest myself. Had a beautiful breakfast. And yeah, so it is what it is. And I think that's the lesson that I'm really getting. The channel is called My Slo-Flo Life. And I'm really sort of like fitting into that and just going with the flow, you know, and letting go of expectations and letting the journey just be whatever the journey is. Get into tomorrow lighthearted, burden-free, and wide open to receive whatever it is. So that's my message to myself. My pilgrimage is 19 miles in, and I'm just doing great. I'm having a wonderful Camino, and I'm really glad you joined me. Let's go, let's continue. Like I said, it's around about 6. We're gonna have more light until about 10 p.m., which is like so amazing, weird, wild, and awesome. But one way or the other, you know that I'm gonna find a place. So keep on following and see where I end up tonight. Buen Camino. All right, so these really smells sweet and polleny, and I've seen them for miles upon miles on the trail. Can't say I've ever seen this kind of tree before. If you know what this is, let me know in the comments down below. I wish you could smell it. "40 kilometers? And I'm really glad you joined me. Let's go. Let's continue.